welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be styling my console. So come on with me, guys. Okay, so let me go ahead and start out with my tree. I did not take my tree down, guys, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I don't know if I'm going to take it down or add more to it, but here we have, I decided to go ahead and display one of my coffee pots. And I love the color pink. It just blends in so nicely. So this cup right here with the hearts on it, so I got that from Walmart. And I think I got this coffee pot here from Home Goods. Then this is a DIY. I'm not sure if this video has been released. So much going on, guys. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way. And that's being hosted by Design with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now, we do have some co-hosts, so let's see if I can remember them all because I don't have my paper with me. So we have Z9 Design, we have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Decorating with Jazzy Green. We also have, let's see, Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley. So I think I got everybody. If I missed anyone, they'll be listed down in my description box. And I DIY'd these eggs along with some other stuff that I did. But anyway, this is the theme for Styling My Way is Easter eggs. So this is my my version of the Easter eggs. So isn't this absolutely gorgeous? I am loving this vintage look. This purple to me is like vintage like, and then we have these beautiful roses that match, and then I kind of strung along the gold beads from the Dollar Tree. Now this house and this bird is so pretty. It has a little like a little crystal hanging from it. So these were thrifted items. This here was a DIY. And then I went ahead and I put some pink florals on that one. So I'm kind of keeping everything pink. I do have to change this trumpet vase out. These the florals. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. And then over here, I have a DIY that I did. I'm not sure if the video's out for this yet. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm loving the colors. It is just so nice. I put the bunny there, and then of course his eyes are pearls. And then here we have the little peep and the plaid. And then we have the little mini carrots, and I'm loving the bunny button, and there is a bee. So I just kind of cover the holes with the flat back pearls. Now my little bird here has a little crack because it broke, so I had to glue that back, and then I placed it on a little top stand with glitter. I think that's so adorable. So we're back over here with my coffee pot, and so this is how I decided to style my console. And so I do have to style that area over there because it has a lot of black. I wanted to put in one of my apothecary jars on the bottom, but we have to redo that. So we're going to do that together. And this is my tree. And like I said, for the summer, I think I'm going to keep it like that. It's too bad that Walmart is not carrying, I don't think they changed out their florals, and I can't find those pics I should have bought. I have hearts hanging from this, but you know something? There's nothing wrong with that. We have Mother's Day coming up, and so all of that is like a love day. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. This is such a pretty heart. Oh my God, and there's the cross. So have an amazing day, guys. God bless you.